Hi guys, so a lot of you have been asking me, can you just show us some animals that we've never seen online? So I've been seeing a lot of comments about this, so I thought I'd just do it. So this is an animal that I have never seen in my whole entire life, and I'm really planning on getting there. So I hope I get there. So I'm going to show you another one. So I've always wanted to see a snake. So I not always have a snake that bites. I just want to see this black one underneath. You can see. I know it's poisonous, but I just want to see it. I think we have time for one more. So this is one, and basically just a shark. So I hope you like this video, and don't forget to like, comment and share.